chocolate chip banana muffins, all-purpose flour, granulated sweetener, sea salt and baking soda, whisk, mash some bananas, melted butter, in goes the mashed bananas, eggs, vanilla extract, whisk to combine the wet ingredients. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and fold in together till well combined. Add in the chocolate chips and fold them. Put the butter into muffin cases using an ice cream scoop. If you have an empty one, filling with water, then bake. Once baked, let them cool, then enjoy. Look at how delicious that muffin looks, even on cutting it into half. A detailed recipe is up on the blog. Remember to buy the ebooks, they are out and they have delicious recipes.